Ready to turn yourself into a cartoon version using just your face and Snapchat? Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're on the camera screen, where you usually take your snaps. Look for the smiley face icon next to the big circle button at the bottom. Tap it to open up the Lens Explorer. You'll see tons of lenses. Now search, scroll, or look for a lens that has a Bitmoji preview with a selfie icon. Once you find the Bitmoji lens with the selfie icon, tap on it to select it. The lens will activate, and you'll see an outline on your screen that's meant to fit your face. Position your face within the outline. Try to get a good, clear view of your face so Snapchat can capture your features accurately. Snapchat will automatically take a picture of your face. Don't worry about pressing any buttons. Now, the magic happens. Snapchat will use your selfie to create a starting point for your Bitmoji. You will then be taken to the Bitmoji customization screen. Here, you can tweak everything, change your skin tone, hairstyle, eye color, outfit, and so much more. Take your time and make it look just like you or a cooler, cartoon version of you. Once you're happy with your Bitmoji masterpiece, tap the save button. And there you have it. Your brand new Bitmoji, created with your selfie, ready to be used in all your snaps. Now go have some fun.